Start time. Okay. We got the Samsung 2-door bottom fridge freezer. And if you open it up, just pull slightly, step back, and there's 2-door action. You got your bottom, and then you've got your top. Look how nicely that slides. And close it down. See how easy that was? And then you got the double door fridge. Open it up. And man, look at that storage. You got your Cool Select pantry right here. Slides out. Door opens up like it's a little Lamborghini. Slide down. You got this little slider right here. Slide. Pops up. You can slide it back down so you can put your milk right here. Lots of space. Then close the double doors. Touchscreen. You can choose ice type, cubed, crushed, water, freezer options, energy saver mode. There's an alarm for lighting, fridge for power cool, ice off. There's your tutorial on your Samsung refrigerator.